Today we'll talk about how can you find your gem on your Goodnovel app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here, just click on it here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on gems here, just click on it. You come to this list, it's going to show for you here games detail. Here can you get here this games here, just click on it here, go, and it's going to get, so then it's going to add with you. You get this game here, and here you will find your history records if you have any games here on this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.